Pablo by Buffer is a powerful social media management and analytics tool, but before you make a decision to buy, there are 12 things you need to know. Whether you're comparing it to other popular tools like Hootsuite or Sprout Social, Pablo has some standout features and a few limitations you should consider. First, Pablo offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for anyone to create and schedule posts across multiple platforms. It's a strong contender for anyone looking for simplicity, but compared to Hootsuite, it's not as feature-rich in terms of team collaboration tools. Next thing, one of the standout features of Pablo is its image editor, which lets you create and customize visuals directly within the platform. This sets it apart from competitors like Buffer, which relies more on external integrations for image creation. It's great for users who need quick, no-fuss designs on the fly. The third thing to know is that Pablo by Buffer excels in its analytics. It provides insights into post performance across all your social media platforms, allowing you to track what's working and what's not. However, when compared to more advanced tools like Sprout Social, it might lack depth in detailed reporting. Moving on, the fourth thing is Pablo's scheduling feature. You can plan posts in advance for various social media accounts, which is perfect for businesses or content creators with multiple platforms to manage. But when compared to Hootsuite's calendar view, Pablo's scheduling tools are a bit more basic. The fifth thing, Pablo's integration with Instagram is limited. Unlike more advanced tools that offer direct scheduling to Instagram, Pablo's integration isn't as smooth, requiring users to manually post at times. If Instagram is a key platform for your strategy, this might be a deal breaker. Next thing, Pablo offers both free and paid plans. The free version is fairly limited, but it's a great option if you're just getting started with social media management. However, if you need more in-depth analytics or additional social accounts, you'll need to opt for the paid plan, which could feel restrictive compared to the more flexible pricing plans from Sprout Social. The seventh thing is Pablo's mobile app. While it does allow you to manage and schedule posts from your phone, it's not as feature-packed as some competitors' apps, like Buffer's own mobile app. If you're on the go, you might find this to be a slight inconvenience. The eighth thing is that Pablo by Buffer doesn't offer the best customer support. While they have a help center and FAQs, there's no live chat or 24/7 support like you'd find with Hootsuite or Sprout Social. If you run into a problem, you might find yourself waiting for a response. Now, the ninth thing is that Pablo is limited to a certain number of social profiles in its base plan. This can be restrictive for larger teams or businesses managing multiple brands. In comparison, tools like Buffer and Hootsuite offer more flexibility when scaling your accounts. The 10th thing is Pablo's content curation features. It's great for discovering new content to share with your audience, but it doesn't have the same level of content discovery as tools like Sprout Social or AgriPulse. If you rely heavily on content curation, you might want to consider these other options. Next, the 11th thing, Pablo by Buffer is excellent for managing your visual content. The platform is tailored to creating graphics and visuals quickly, but if you need a more all-encompassing tool for both content creation and management, something like Buffer's full suite might be a better fit. And the 12th thing, Pablo offers integrations with other tools like Google Analytics, which can be useful for tracking performance. However, it lacks some of the more advanced integrations you'd find with a competitor like Hootsuite or Sprout Social. To sum it up, Pablo by Buffer is a solid choice for those looking for a straightforward, user-friendly social media management tool. It's particularly great for image creation and basic scheduling. But if you want a more robust platform with deeper analytics, better customer support, and more flexibility, our recommended solution might be a better fit. You can try it for free and see if it meets your needs.